Welcome traders. We are going to learn how to calculate pips in gold. But before we start, let me tell you the things you will learn. You learn how to calculate the following. Number one, pips in gold. Number two, the pip value. So we are going to take it one by one. Most retail forex brokers quote gold in two decimal places. Example, you can have gold price at 4,753.77 dollars, or can have 4,050 dollars 0.51. As you can see from this example, this price is quoted in two decimal places, 0.77 and 0.51. You have to take note that gold pip size is equal to 0.01. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video to encourage us to produce more videos like this. Let's continue. For you to calculate pips in gold, you need this simple formula. Pip is equal to difference in price all over pip size, which is 0.01, as we already specified here. So assuming we have price move from 4734.68 to, let's say, 4406.59. For us to calculate the pip movement, what we have now is pip equal to 4734.68 minus 4406.59, which is this formula, difference in price, then all over 0.01. This will be equal to, if you subtract this from this, you have 328.09, then divided by the pip size, which is 0.01. This is going to give us 32,809 pips. This is what we will have. It's a very good example of how to calculate pips in gold. Just use this formula and you are good to go. What if we have another example, example 2? price moves from 4,200 to, let's say, 4,302.35. The PIP using the same formula is equal to 4,200 minus 4,302.35. This is going to give us 102.35 divided by the pip size, which is 0.01, and this will give us 10,235 pips. So this is the second example. Let's continue. Remember that some brokers can quote gold with 3 decimal places. Example, we can have 4,302.354, and the third decimal place here becomes the pipette. So this 4 here can be labeled as pipette. This 4 here can be called pipette. So that is how to calculate pip in gold. The next thing for us to do now is how to find pip value. So pip value is equal to lot size. Let's write it out. Lot size, it should be in ounces. Let's put it in ounces times 0. Times 0.01 USD. So this is the formula for calculating pip size. You know that one standard lot size is equal to 100 ounces. So let's state it. One standard lot is equal to 100 ounces. I'll also give you another formula so that you can put all these things together. There is a relationship between lot size and ounces. So lot size is equal to ounces over 100. So this is the formula. We are going to make use of this formula. So what we do now is to have some examples here so that we'll understand how to calculate Pip value. Let's go back to chart and do some calculations. Assuming we enter this trade here for XAUUSD, if this is our sell setup, and let me open up the trading view details. We have our entry point as 5,373.048. Our take profit at 5,088.974 and stop loss at 5,428.208. We can calculate the Pip movement from entry to stop loss and know the amount we will lose depending on our risk and how much we make from entry to take profits level. We can only do this when we calculate Pip value, how much a Pip cost in this trade. So that is what we are going to learn how to calculate. I already gave you this formula. Let's go back to where we are doing our calculation. You know that Pip value is lot size in ounces times 0.01 USD. So what we do now is to state our entry here. In that setup, we have entry price as 5373.048. Then we have take profit price, which is indicated as TP here, as 5088.974. We have another one, stop loss price, which is indicated as SL here, as 5428.208. So these are the details we are going to work with. From our formula, the first thing we have to do now is to calculate our Pip movement. So Pip is equal to change in price, that's difference in price all over the Pip value, which is 0.01. So let's write 5373.048 minus 5428.208. Let me show you the movement we are calculating. That's the movement from the entry price to stop loss price. We divide it by 0.01. This will be equal to minus 55.16. divided by the pip size 0.01. This is going to give us, since we are looking at pips and not actually the monetary value, just look at the movement there. Can remove this negative. If you divide this, you are getting 5,516 pips. Can do the math on your calculator. Then let's also calculate the pip movement from entry to take profit. This one is pip for SL. Let's indicate it. Then this one is pip for TP. So let's state everything clearly. We have 5,373.048 minus 5088.974 divided by 0.01. This is going to give us 284.074 over 0.01. This is going to give us 28,407.4 pips for the take profit side. Having gotten the pip movements, the next thing for us to do is to calculate the pip value. So pip value now is gotten from the formula I already stated, that pip value is lot size in ounces times 0.01 USD. So pip value is equal to, in this our setup, we have to define our risk so that we can get our lot size. So this is our setup. If we risk $100 on this setup and we've done our calculation to get our this thing, let's do it together. You can use your calculator. You've seen the stop loss pips here as 5,516. If you use your calculator and divide this, you are going to get 100 all over 5,516. Your lot size is going to be 0.018. So from this, we have lot size. Let's specify lot size. Lot size equals to 0.018. Good. From here, we can calculate our pip size. So that what we have now is lot size in ounces. But we already know that for us to convert this lot size to ounces, we'll multiply by 100. So what we need to do is to multiply 0.018 times 100, which is going to give us 1.8 in O&C. 0.0018 times 100 is going to give us 1.8 in O&Cs. Then times 0.01 USD times 0.01 USD. So we get 0.018. So this is going to $0.018. This is going to be our Pip value for this. So for us to get how much we will have if the trade goes our way, we multiply this Pip value by the Pip movement, which is 28,407.4. So if we do that for the TP, a take profit if the trade goes our way in that setup, we have $0.018 multiplied by 28,407.4. This is going to give us $511.3. $511.3. Then let's also try for the SL. Assuming it goes against us, we still have to multiply the P value 0.018 multiplied by, let's see, 5516. This is 5516. Use your calculator. Know what you get. 5516. So what we have is equal to $99.28 because of the approximation we did with the lot size. So this is the simplest way to calculate pips and pip value in gold. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments section. Thank you.